Within the Cork platform, we have a tool called Asset Analysis. This allows you to run analyses across different integrations or integration types. The analysis we have today are a white space, where do I have onboarding gaps? Zombie asset analysis, where do I have offboarding gaps? Or stale asset analysis, what tools do I have installed that are no longer checking in or are unresponsive? Let's do a white space analysis as an example. So I'll generate this for all my clients, but you can select all clients with financial protection, or you can select an individual client. What you need to do is just select the source of truth. Typically, this is your RMM if you're looking at endpoints, or your email if you're looking at identity. So you can select your source of truth. If you have a particular integration you want to target, you can select that as well. Or you can add additional filters to narrow down the scope of which you want to compare against. For now, I'll just stick with RMM. Then you'll want to compare it against what tool you expect to also be installed with your endpoints that are visible in your RMM. So EDR or backup would be an obvious answer. You can do the same filtering by selecting an individual integration or adding additional filters. So now you can click Generate Analysis. And what you'll see here is all the endpoints that exist in RMM that are missing EDR. So you can either download this as a CSV, you can save the query for a later time. You can also view query history, all of the other queries you've ran in the past, or your saved queries if you have them. So obviously we have the same one already here. But this gives you an idea of how powerful your integrations are, but it's really simple to miss these onboarding and offboarding gaps